Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. Today, we're going to unlock the power of fixed formulas in Excel using the $sign. If you've ever struggled with copying formulas and getting wrong results, this video is for you. Let's dive in. In Excel, a fixed formula refers to a formula where certain cell references don't change when copied to other cells. This is done using the $sign to create what's called an absolute or mixed reference. Let's say we have a price list and we want to apply a fixed tax rate from a single cell across multiple rows. Here's how we do it using absolute references. Type equals and select cell B2. Then multiplication sign and select the fixed rate cell that is G2. Add the $sign, $G2, where B2 is the price and $G2 is the fixed tax rate. Press enter and copy the formula down. The tax rate remains fixed because of the $G2 absolute reference. And that's it! Now you know how to use fixed formulas with $signs in Excel like a pro. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Excel tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video!